Okay, so here's my little washing machine. Okay, so we have a timer for the washing machine. It goes 15 minutes. And this is standard wash, soft wash, and then drain. And the spinner has 5-minute intervals. Usually all I need is 1. But if like I really want to make sure something is super dry, I'll do it for 2. And this is boom. Boom. Here's your spinner. Boom, boom, boom. It goes like 1,000 miles per hour, I swear to God. Anyway, put clothes in there. Then you put this thing on top of it. And it sits on top of the clothes. And it just keeps it level so that it doesn't come outside and get into like there. And it messes up the balance. So it just holds the equilibrium. And here's the washing machine. Hi, bitch friend. And so I have clothes in here, and I'll show you. It has an inlet for here and here. I have no idea why this is here, but I use the shower hose to, boom. I just take the thing off, and it'll like, hold on, okay, yeah, like I could do like this, but nothing actually stays, so like you could sit here and hold it and it'll fill it up, but it just comes out like of a hole that's like right there. Anyway, this is it washing clothes. Yes, my clothes were very dirty. Ooh, I'm gonna drop the phone in there. So anyway, I already washed these clothes earlier. Not supposed to do this, but I do it sometimes anyway. In the directions it says not to turn it the other way, but sometimes I have to. So anyway, alright, it stopped turning. I'm going to tune this from standard to drain. And there is, I forgot to pull it out. It has a little thing, it hooks right there from there. Anyway, boom, it's got a little drainage hose. And that's why I keep it in the shower, because, you know, it's just much easier than filling up a tub and then stopping it before it fills up too much. And it's sitting on top of a refrigerator drawer to keep it from getting wet. And so you can see it lets all the water out.
There he is. Oh my God! Really, nigga?
Did he do it again? Okay, so I've got the water filling up. Turn that from drain to standard. Boom. I'm gonna rinse the clothes. Close that. Turn the shower on high. Because I'm really lazy. Anyway, filling. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I just kind of fill it up till it's kind of floating. And that should be good. Close it. This washing machine is savage.
Savage machine?
This is a Savage washing machine. And for the sake of time, I'm just gonna pull out something. Throw that on there. I'm doing a tutorial, okay? Throw that in there. Okay, so I got the clothes in there. This on there. Close it. And boom. See all the water coming up? It's kind of shaking a little bit. Like, anyway, yeah. It was like $95. And I can wash my clothes at night and dry them in this thingy, and by morning my clothes are dry.